Hemi?
Yeah, you hear that?
392?
Yeah.
Julian's favorite motor.
Our goal is, I hope we get it done. I hope we don't run into...
Not my fault.
I'd say that's your fault. I hope we don't run into any challenges. We're trying to drop the engine in the E28 today. And we're also gonna make another reel, try to clock a milli. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. I'm kind of dragging ass right now. I gotta let this caffeine hit me.
Do you want to take 5 and redo this?
No, I'm good.
Okay, right.
I'm good.
Just making sure.
I'm zooted and booted. Is that what the cool kids say?
What I said in high school. So.
Couple of things we got to get started with. This oil pan, we need a turbo drain onto this oil pan.
Brother.
What?
Come on now.
Dude, I gotta get that caffeine in me. Hold on.
He's gonna go do some booger sugar. We'll be right back.
Ocean Raceworks, baby. Oh. We got all this stuff for the turbo oil drain, the bung and everything. This looks like a crack pipe Jude smokes crack out of.
Never smoked crack, ever.
You sure?
Yeah, no.
This bung needs to go right there. Position it to where it's like kind of high so it's not like constantly down in the oil.
I bet that feels nice.
Oh yeah, that felt fucking insane. What's really gonna feel nice? This Christmas tree bit. Gonna feel like, I'm not saying that on camera.
What was it gonna feel like, Julian?
Nothing, don't worry about it. Tip is, all these metal shavings, you wanna leave in your oil pan when you're done. They go into your engine, they fill up like any like imperfections inside your engine.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Is this a hard shot, me with the E30?
It's not hard.
In all seriousness, if you do want to know a pro tip, because every now and then, between all my bullshit, I do teach you guys something. When you're working with aluminum, if you take a Sharpie, like you have to heat it up to like get a bolt out or anything. You want to take a Sharpie and just draw on the aluminum. And then when you're heating it up with a torch, once the ink goes away, that's how you know when to stop. Aluminum, when you heat it up, it can puddle and you won't realize it's puddled. Guys, real quick, I'm editing this video and I didn't explain why I'm heating this aluminum oil pan up. So the reason why I'm doing this, it's cast aluminum. Cast aluminum has a lot of small imperfections in it. And when you heat it up with a torch and you get it pretty hot, it actually brings out a lot of the imperfections. Makes it much easier to weld on. Another pro tip. Jude was just telling me how... Dude was just telling me how he would make bad decisions if he had a house to himself all the time. Is that true, Jude?
Yeah. I said that if I had a house to myself all the time, at least like once a week, I'd make a decision that's like probably gonna regret it and or think about it. A lot of worse comes.
Like what kind of bad decisions are we?
I'm not gonna speak anything to existence, man. I don't know.
All right, got my gas turned on. It's about there. We are gonna want a little bit more gas flow than usual because we are dealing with cast. I got 178 volts. We are on AC alternating current. That's what that means. Is this gonna weld like shit? Is this gonna weld like shit, Jude? Not too bad. Not too bad, Jude. All right, that's not honestly that bad. It's not gonna look like a regular aluminum weld because it is cast aluminum, but it does look pretty good for a cast aluminum weld. If there are any welders out there watching this video, they know exactly what I'm talking about. Not too shabby. I even got up in the top, which was kind of hard. But yeah, turbo oil drain completed.
Ask all the hobby welders how that looks. I'm sure they'll tell you.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. Dude, I'm surprised I haven't got any comments on my Instagram about my welding. Holy tough shot. All right, you can kill that camera. We'll get back to you guys when it's come up with the game plan. That was hard, I know it was. Chill.
He's so strong.
I'm tacking the nut onto the oil pump right now. These tend to back off. When Archie is going down the road spinning tire, banging this thing off of rev limiter at 7,000 RPMs, that nut doesn't fly off. So we're gonna tack it on. Just throw a little quick on it so it won't come off and then we'll be good. Don't vape, kids. Dude, why am I still wearing my welding?
It's so tight.
Jesus Christ. Accessories on the back of the head here. RTV's your friend when it comes to old BMWs. This is the cam oil block off plate thingy, and then this is the water neck out of the head. Look at that. See that action shot? I do everything with love. Ask your mom.
Tell my dad you said that.
I'm not saying you. I'm just saying in general. Like, I'm just talking to the people. Is that crazy, dude? Comment down below if you guys want to see me and Jude start vlogging.
Would I vlog?
Yeah, I vlog. You be down for that?
When you like purposely go do cool stuff though, all the time.
Do you know who we are?
Yeah. We just gotta film it now though, instead of doing it for personal pleasure.
You're right.
Yeah.
What?
Dude, this thing's fucking sick. Like, it's just... We'll get back to you guys when we're loading this thing up on the thing.
Meanwhile,
Guys, in the time of Jude was just taking his second poop so far today, I threw on this one engine arm real quick just to test fit stuff and see how it's gonna fit, and hits a wastegate. Take this massive fucking turbo here and throw this on. Show the people down there, the fitment. We're gonna get hardware and some really heavy duty blades so we can cut this out. And we're gonna take you guys to our favorite place in the world where we build fast cars. Should we have a meet and greet at Home Depot?
Oh yeah, please. So funny. Tricycle, bro? That thing's super gay.
I can see you driving that.
Could you?
I can see you driving that.
Funny when you go to Home Depot and people are walking out and they seem like way more confused than they should be.
Yeah. It's like, dude, I walk in here and know what the fuck I'm doing.
many minutes later.
Dude, I'm so hungry. I want my kebab so bad.
Isn't it on the way?
Yeah.
Over or under 2 minutes to cut this. Over or under 2 minutes to cut this.
Dude, are you fucking with me right now?
We're gonna go with the over on 2 minutes to cut this.
Are you fucking with me right now? No shot. No shot. This
Terrible.
thing's like a $500 saw.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, I haven't, it never, what?
Do you wanna get the plasma cutter?
Will your plasma cutter cut that?
Yeah.
Cut right through it?
Cut right through it.
Is it at your house?
Yeah.
We're going on the, yeah, it's definitely gonna be over 2 minutes to cut. Yeah, no, you fucked us on that.
Yeah, it's my fault.
Yeah, over under 2 minutes to cut this. Guys, this is what I do to make quality content for you guys.
That does blow.
Dude, that's a Milwaukee Fuel 18 volt Sawzall. That is a $500-600 Sawzall.
Many minutes later.
Oh my God, guys. Are you friggin'? Dude,
Pretty gas.
it's... Oh. We took a little intermission because we gotta let the air compressor fill up with some air so we can finish plasma cutting. It's already 1 o'clock. I wanna be done by like 4. All right, after what?
10-15 minutes of plasma cutting.
I'm thinking a little bit longer than that. What I'm trying to say is it fits now. So we're just gonna quickly go ahead and clean this up with a grinder and then throw a quick coat of paint on it. Yo, shout out to Jude. If it wasn't for Jude, I probably just would have given up on life altogether. RIP my Sawzall. Play like sad music right now. Bless myself.
What's up?
Ah, fuck, this thing's off. Oh my God.
I thought you were about to throw that at
I
me.
probably shouldn't swear after I just blessed myself.
Yeah.
See how fast it dries?
Well, that thing's also probably hot.
If there's any goobers that are gonna comment, oh, you just took out the structural integrity of the engine mount. Half-inch thick steel. It's fucking thick.
It is,
It's
it's-
steel.
yeah.
And nothing's happened.
Yeah, nothing about that's gonna break. Not a damn thing.
Loading her up! Why can't you go in the right way? Real quick, I'm gonna pop this rat out.
Drops down, it's gonna go back more though. So.
Perfect. Well, that looks fucking sick. I'm kidding. Huh? Yeah, it is. Trust me. Dude, if we're in it, it's gonna look cool on camera.
Wastegate.
I like that. I don't want you to be a fan.
I'd be pretty good at it too.
She would be good at it. That'd be an added plus. That I think I'd be in a little bit of trouble for that.
Well, dude, just so you know, I wouldn't get upset with that.
Thanks. Thanks, Julian.
Like that's like when my YouTube starts taking off, that's when I'm hiring you. Archie, if you're watching this, I hope you like this. Dude, this thing. Like I definitely have one of the hardest garages in Pittsburgh. Cause I'm in it and I'm hard.
Wait, what?
Oh, yo,
We're gonna need an HR team here pretty soon. This guy.
Dude, I gotta get the shots for Instagram. I love the copper brake lines.
So do I. This thing looks classy.
It's over the weekend. This is gonna be the end of the video because I'm unfortunately waiting on a pilot bearing for this engine and a couple other parts, so I can't put the transmission in right now. And I wanna get this video out to you guys. Next video, we're gonna be putting the transmission in and then doing all of the charge piping and the plumbing for the engine. So like cooling hoses, all the charge piping, all that stuff. Basically plumbing it up, losing all the systems off. Unfortunately, this video isn't gonna be as long as I wanted it to be. We got screwed by parts. I'm still gonna post it so you guys get a video this week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I always say, dream so big it's scary. Peace out and I'll catch you in the next one.
Hello. What's up? I'm Julian's. Okay, well hi. I don't have much time. I do kinda gotta go.
Is that Shorty?
Yeah, shorty.
Dang. Bro picks up the phone, goes, all right, bye, I don't have much time. He's holding a camera. Straight people.
What's the audience gonna do if I'm having a conversation with Shorty while you're trying to explain something or do something?
I feel like they wouldn't mind.
I don't catch a shot because I'm fucking not paying attention. This wouldn't be a good day.
If I could take you up in paradise, I'd